Japanese-style fluffy souffle omelette. Make a delicious breakfast with 3 eggs. I took 3 eggs. If you use a small pan, you can use 2 eggs. Separate the egg white and yolks. Mix the egg yolks first. ¼ teaspoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'll beat the egg whites. You can use cold eggs to whip well. I suddenly feel like I'm exercising my arms. When a stiff peak forms, you're done. Add egg yolks and mix carefully. Use unsalted butter. Use a brush to spread out the butter. Cover with a lid and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Fold it in half. Cook the side. Add some more butter. It's done. ASMR. It's really soft and tasty. This souffle omelette melted in my mouth. It's so delicious that arm pain is forgotten. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Orange Bay for more videos like this.